Hello everybody, today I will show you how to fix MSVCR100.dll is missing and was not found in Windows 10 8.7 problem. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking. Go to Chrome browser or any browser, type MSVCR100.dll download. Click on the first link, check your system type. To check it, go to Windows search bar, type system information. Click on system type. Now download the file based on your system type. Click on download. After the download, right click and copy the downloaded MSVCR100 folder. Click on this PC, click on local disk C, click on Windows, click on system 32, paste it, click on continue, click on SYSWOW64, paste it, click on continue, restart your PC. That's it. Thanks for watching.